Hello everyone. In this video we will learn about the taxonomies in a Drupal. Also I will explain you about the what is the taxonomy, how to create the taxonomy and how to include the taxonomy in a content type. So in a Drupal, taxonomy refers to a way of organizing and categorizing content on the website. Using the taxonomy we can categorize our content. Suppose for example if you have a website and there is one content type or the section blog maybe have the different types of categories: politics, science or technology. So using the taxonomy we can easily categorize or separate this content on the website. So now I will show you how to create the taxonomy. For that, go to structure, click on taxonomy. By default this taxonomy is already created. Now we want to add the one more taxonomy. For that, click on this add vocabulary. We will create the taxonomy for the blocks category. So in that we will add the three categories like science, politics and technology. So first our vocabulary name will be blocks. Click on save. Now in this blocks category, our vocabulary, we can add the multiple categories. So for that, in Drupal it is called as a terms. So first category will be science. You can add the description as well and click on save button to save. Next category will be politics. Again click on save. And third category is the technology. Click on save. Now to check the list of all categories, go to click on this taxonomy. And this is the vocabulary or the taxonomy we have created blocks, and click on this list terms. So in that we will get the list of all categories which we have created. We have created these three categories in the blocks taxonomy. We can arrange them by dragging this up and down. Click on save. Now I will show you how to include this taxonomy in a content type. So I have already created one content type, blocks content type. So in a blocks content type, click on this manage fields. So the existing fields in that block are body, block image and the author name. Now I will add the taxonomy as well. For that, click on this add field. So inside the reference, select the taxonomy term and give the name it as the blocks. You can give any name here. Next is this, click on the save field settings. From this vocabulary, select the which taxonomy you want to include. So we want to include these blocks. Suppose if you want to set any default value, you can set that default value as well. Suppose as like search for the technology. So this technology value will get by default selected, but I will remove this. So right now it is autocomplete. I will show you how to change this autocomplete to the drop down list. So here now we have successfully added this taxonomy blocks into the blocks content type. Now I will go to my block content type, add some content in the block content type. For that, go to the content, or you can directly add the URL, node add, and the machine name of your blog, content type. So this is my blog content type. Here you can see right now the blog taxonomy, it is showing autocomplete. Now we want to change it to the select drop down. For that, go to this content type and click on the manage form display, and here you can see right now it is autocomplete. Change it to the select list, click on save. Again refresh this create blog page. So here you can see now it is changed to the select drop down. Now I will add some content in this content type. Suppose this is a technology blog. Body, technology blog body. After that, upload the blog image. So this is the technology image, and author name will be technology author. Blog category is the technology. Add the alt image text. And if you want to add the URL, you can add the URL here, blog/technology. Click on save. So this is the technology blog. Here you can see right now it is showing the category of a technology, image, and the author name. Similarly, we can add the others blogs as well, and with the different types of categories. That's it from this video. I hope you get the understanding about the taxonomies. So please like the video and subscribe the channel so that you will get notified whenever I create any Drupal new content. Thank you for watching.